we are in Sweden and filming their Songkran celebration. There's a difference though. In Thailand it was about 30 degrees Celsius. In Sweden it's about 10 degrees Celsius. So I don't think we will have any water play. Probably more traditional celebrations. Let's check it out. Yeah, quite a lot of people. Still early in the day. It's 11:30 and they've been going on since 9. As always, there is plenty of food. Hardly no surprise, there is no water play here. Too cold for that.
Välkommen till Thai-eventen.
Thai Songkran.
Ja, Thai Songkran-festivalen i Sverige. Risnudlasoppar med fläskfilé, jättegott.
Ja. Så vad gör ni med pengarna ni tjänar?
Vi ska ju bygga vi ska samlas typ som en mötesplatser. Så välkomna då, det är inte ofta vi händer, kanske en gång per år, faktiskt.
While this may not look like a traditional Thai temple, we're gonna look inside and explore it a little bit more. As with all Thai temples and temples in general, you must remove your shoes before entering. Shoes removed, let's go inside. While the outside may not look like a traditional Thai temple, the inside certainly does.
ส้มตำค่ะ
Hur många chili?
Hur många vill du ha? Du kan bestämma.
This was an alternative way to celebrate Songkran without the water play. I hope you enjoyed it and see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.